So now we have discussed about that projection of solids. That's a based on cylinders. So what the problem is given? So that is in this problem is both axis is inclined to the both plane. Axis is inclined to the both plane. That is a horizontal plane as well as the vertical plane. So what the data is given for this problem? That is a 30 mm diameter. That is a cylinder base diameter is 30 mm, and axis is a 40 mm long. So that is a base circle is rest on HP. Base circle is rest on the HP. So that is an angle is making as a 30 degree with HP and perpendicular to the top view. If you see as a top view, that is a top view perpendicular to vertical plane. So now we have assumed as that is a first initial view. So in that initial view, you are assumed as that is a normal position. That is a normal position. So this is a cylinder resting on base HB and axis is perpendicular to it. So now you have to true shape. First to draw the true shape. That is a true shape. You know that is a top view. So you draw as a top view. That is a 30 mm diameter. You make as a one circle. So it will be divided as a 4. That is mentioned by name. That is A, B, C and D. So you know the top view, that is a B, C, D. You know that. That is a unknown. That is a face that is a bottom face. That's why you have mentioned as a within bracket 1, 2, 3, 4. The name as a unknown thing. So that is a top view, center point O1 and O2 is a bottom face. Now you draw as a front view of the surface, front view of the cylinders. So easily you have project. So for your reference, you have to take as a 8 division. So you can make as a number of division. For our reference, we have to take as a 8 division. So it will be taking as a, that is a projection will be taking, consider to the like this. Then how making as a axis is given here. We have axis is given as a 40 mm. So mention that a 40 mm to be marked as a here itself. So you have make as a, if you see as a cylinder in a front view, that is a shown as a rectangle. So now we have mentioned as a name, that is 1 dash and 2, and within we have known as a 4 dash, we don't know, that is an unknown value, that is a back side of the rectangle. So that is you have mentioned by the 4 dash, and the 3 dash you know you have able to see, that is you have mentioned as a 3 dash. Similarly, that is a top view as A dash and B, and D dash we have not able to see, that is a within bracket we have mentioned as a D dash, and C dash that is you have able to see, that is a mention as a C dash. Now you have as a second position, that is a third position. So the cylinder has rest with an as a base circle on HB, so that the axis makes an angle 30 degree with the HB. So now we have draw as axis is 30 degree from here itself, that is a 30 degree. So that is a, hence the front view of point 3 dash xy on xy, and its base is inclined to xy. So that is a front view you can draw like this. That is a 3 dash to be based on here itself. So that is a 3 dash mentioned as a 3 dash. So you have tilted without changing of the dimension. Easily you can transferred with the here itself. That is a 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash, and similarly you have mentioned by A dash and B dash, D dash and C dash. So now you have to draw, that is a second top view, that is a top view of this position. You have to draw, that is a fourth position, that is a top view. You have easily, that is a top view, the axis is parallel to xy. You know that the axis is parallel to xy. So that is easily you can project this from here itself easily. Then similarly this line also having projected like this. So now two intersect point join, find the intersect point, that is a 1 and 2 here itself, and 3 and 4, and similarly have mentioned as a O1, and this is the intersection point A and B and C and D, you know that D and O2. So now you have to draw, that is you have, if you see here itself what are the position we can able to see, means that is a B and C we can able to see, that is a point surface you can able to see, and similarly that is a 1 dash and 4 1 dash and 2 dash we can able to see, and 4 1 and D1 you can able to see, and 2 and B we can able to see. So what are the line we can able to see the surface, that only you have to draw a thin line. So now you have to thin line, that is a 1 dash 1 1 4 and 2 1. So it will be able to see. Then the line to be, that is a surface A B C D. This surface we can see from the area that will be show to be here itself. That is a full line. Then 4 1 and D 1 and 2 1 and B 1 we can able to see. So it will be seen. So unknown surfaces, that is a 4, 3 and 2 we cannot able to see. That is will be mentioned by dotted line. So we can to draw the final position. That is the final position of the top view. So as per the condition, the cylinder is tilted with the top view of the axis is perpendicular to xy. The axis is perpendicular to the xy. Axis is perpendicular to xy. So keeping the inclination of xp at a constant. So hence the shape and size of the second top view remain the same, but position along with the changes to 90 degree. So we cannot able to change any dimensions. Only we have transfer that the direction only 90 degree to the perpendicular to the xy axis. So that is name as mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4 and dash and top view, that is a B, C, D. Now that is a final view of the front view. We can able to see. We can draw like this. That is you can draw. That is a project the lines from here itself, and like this you can draw from here 2 and 4 and 3 dash like this. So now we have to mark as a intersection area, that is a 1. Then you have to choose as a 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and O1. Similarly, you have to intersect with, that is a and B and C and D. So then O2. So similarly, we can able to see from, we are seeing from top view from here itself. You can see that is the entire surface 1, 2, 3, 4. So the surface will be marking as a dark. And similarly, that is a B1, that is a D1 and A1 and B1 we can able to see. So that surface also have a drawn with a dark line. So D1 and 4-1 we cannot able to see. Sorry, we can see. So this line also we can draw a straight line. It's a dark line. And B1 and 2-1 we can able to see, that is a 2-1. So that is a line D1, C1 and B1 we cannot able to see. So that is a mention as a dotted line. So this is the final version, final view of the as front view of the final position.